your new Toyota Starlet Cross. Own it.
iDiskiTV, powered by World Sports Betting. iDiski Times. It's Kaizer Chiefs 0, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. Lucas Ribeiro Costa kora for Mamelodi Sundowns, making sure ukuthi Mamelodi Sundowns bafuna umsansa between bona ne Orlando Pirates. Go 18 points namhlanje. Mamelodi Sundowns having played 5 more games than the Orlando Pirates, but I've got a fan ye Kaizer Chiefs. Papale Joe Banana L waselimpompo. Mfowethu kunjani?
I'm okay, my brother. No.
No, I'm good. How did you see the game?
Today's game, truly speaking, I'm happy about the way boys performed. I'm talking about Kaizer Chiefs. It was a nice game after all. And I'm happy that they did destroy that train of 4-0, 4-1. That train is, man, when I was coming here, I was busy praying on my road saying, please God, help us. We mustn't get that 4. Because I think the Muthi they were using Sundowns, it was Muthi for February. Because remember those goals for 4-1, 4-2, it was only happening in February, in the month of ladies. That's what shows me that Sundowns are representing ladies of South Africa.
Indoni namhlanje kwenzewa impressed ngeteam yakho. I mean, nidlale in 90 minutes. I can say in 94 minutes. Kasibala 4 minutes ngesengu-referee. Indoni ubu-happy ngayo namhlanje ngeteam yakho?
Yeah, with my team, like the way they played today, it was like the second time they play like this, a good football. Like they were sharing the ball, they were attacking, they were not defensive too much. Like when I'm saying is the second one, I'm talking about we did play derby. They give it all. So today they did it again. So that means our coach, he must work on substitute. That's what I'm always disappointed on, the substitute. Like the substitution he made today was not that bad, but I was feeling bad the time he did leave Mart inside.
Or you feel like he should have made the substitutions earlier?
He should have made substitution earlier, and he was supposed to pull Mart out. Because I think Mart was losing concentration too much. Most of the ball, it's good on receiving the ball first man on the ball, but on coming to the final decisions, that's where always he disappoints me. And he likes to play ball back, of which is costing us also. And again, I think South African referees, I think they must get some extra lessons.
You were not happy with two referees?
Yes, lot of decisions I wasn't happy. There were faults to the Kaizer Chiefs side. There were a lot of faults at Sundowns side. I'm not saying only at Kaizer Chiefs, but those faults, most of them, he was supposed to give yellow card or red card if possible. Both sides, you understand? Because this thing of referees is destroying our football. What I think about referees, sometimes you may feel, especially when you are losing, you may feel like these referees are getting paid for your team to lose. But today it shows that it's not only about Kaizer Chiefs. It was both sides. Kaizer Chiefs was playing, Sundowns was playing. And they were, I know it's a football of contact, it's a sport of contact. But there's some contact that's where refs must make sure that they take yellow card or red card without any favors. Then you will see our football will be a better football in the continent. But if you check now, South African football is down because of the referees.
You feel like we need VAR?
We need VAR, my brother. That's one I'm 100% sure. We need VAR, and they need a proper training, these referees. And I think PSL, they must meet these referees halfway. I think they must hire referees as it's a permanent job for them. Like we know that we have only 5 referees for the whole season, meaning everyone will know that if it's not this one, it's going to be this one. It doesn't matter if he did ref bad, but next game he will improve. That's where they're going to get them. They're going to give them warnings if they don't do their job properly, and then everyone is going to pull up the socks. Because now it's like they just go call you and say, come and ref for this game. Yeah, that's why I'm disappointed.
There were 2 players abenze return namhlanje ku-team yakho, Ashley Dupree and also uDove kwi-left back. What did you make of them namhlanje ubuya kwabo for i-team yakho, and babaluleke kangakanani going forward for i-team yakho?
Yeah, on coming to that, Dove, I give him 98%. He came out strong. The guy came out strong. We need a guy who can take us to that level where he can say, this is my family. Wearing this brand is a big thing, meaning you must go all out all the times. For Dupreez, I don't think he did gain the momentum. Maybe this second game he can gain that, because he take a lot of runs, but at the end he made wrong decisions, he loses the ball. Not saying he wasn't good for the match. Remember, just came back. So I think he still need to gain momentum.
Which game is more important for Nina? Because in the second thing, Nippume good top 8 so far. I mean, the season is May. There's still a couple of games still to play. But go for Nina as it fans the Kaizer Chiefs, your next game against Makesi or your next quarterfinal game against Stellenbosch.
My brother, each and every game for Kaizer Chiefs as from now is more important. For today's game, to be honest with you, there was no pressure for us. Yeah, for me to come here, it was a practice match for Nedbank Cup for this game. It wasn't more about a league. Yeah, that's why when I was coming here, there's someone, another media company, they asked me, what do you see about today's game? I said to them, I win, I lose, I draw, I don't care about that, because it's a practice match to Nedbank Cup. That's the cup where I put focus on. Remember, for today's game, if I did win, I won't be number 2. If I win, I won't be number 1. Meaning a league is gone for me. I'm no longer fighting for a league. I'm fighting for Nedbank Cup, which is a bigger portion for me. And for that, I'm going to take Nedbank Cup. And for my guys, I'm feeling sorry for them. That's why I'm starting to fight for top 8 now. I'm starting from next during the week for my guys.
That's it. Because Liti Bajonge Kakulu in Nedbank Cup. We vegelandelayo against Stellenbosch. But namhlanje Lucas Masterpieces Moripa Stadium. It's Kaizer Chiefs 0, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. Thank you so much for watching iDiski TV.
For breaking news, go to iDiskiTimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to iDiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafowethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe iDiski TV.